Question number 1. Who was the first president of India? The right answer is option A, Rajendra Prasad. Question number 2. Which article provides for the formation of the Finance Commission? The right answer is option B, Article 280. Question number 3. The Indian Constitution was adopted on. The right answer is option C, 26th November 1949. Question number 4. Who appoints the Governor of State in India? The right answer is option C, President. Question number 5. Who can proclaim a finance emergency in India? The right answer is option C, President. Question number 6. Which Amendment Act is related to the Goods and Service Tax in India? The right answer is 101. Question number 7. What is the tenure of a Rajya Sabha member? The right answer is option C, 6 years. Question number 8. The power to increase the number of judges in the Supreme Court of India lies with. The right answer is option C, Parliament. Question number 9. Which Indian state has the maximum number of seats in Lok Sabha? The right answer is option D, Uttar Pradesh. Question number 10. The Vice President of India can removed from office by. The right answer is option C, both houses of Parliament. Question number 11. Which of the following fundamental rights is guaranteed only to citizens of India? The right answer is option B, right to freedom. Question number 12. Which of the following languages is not included in the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution? The right answer is option B, English. Question number 13. Which of the following is not a fundamental duty under the Indian Constitution? The right answer is option D, to vote in elections. Question number 14. Who is the chairman of Rajya Sabha? The right answer is option B, Vice President of India. Question number 15. Which of the following is not justiciable right under the Indian Constitution? The right answer is option B, right to property.